Hello, guys, and welcome back to my channel, Creating with Tam. I'm here today to bring you a few more work from home opportunities. Before we get started, can you please like this video, comment, and share? And don't forget to hit the bell and be subscribed so you'll get notifications every time I upload more content, which is new jobs. How are you guys doing today? It's nice and mild here where I am in the Midwest. And I said, thank you for that, right? Versus getting up with the cold and the snow. So today is nice and mild. So let's go ahead and get into this. So the first opportunity is with Nailnet for enrollment processing representatives. Okay, their class is starting January 31st. Now, I have not worked with this company before simply because with my dynamic, the hours that they were hiring for back in September, I think they wanted most people to have like a second shift, like 12 to 8, 12 to 9. But this one, look, it says schedules 8 to 4:30, Monday through Friday. The pay is 13.53 an hour. And if you don't know anything about Nelnet, a lot of people, I remember at one point in time, I even had student loans that were by them. They are a student loan, what do you want to say, company, that type of thing. All right, and it says it here. Nelnet is a student loan servicer that has grown into a fiber internet pioneer, real estate investor, and software provider. Okay, so with the requirements, it says commit to performance-based organization, PBO. Okay, contribute to continuous process improvement, ensure integrity, validate and update information, review prior lender service information payments here, staying updated on the company and department communications, attending team meetings, completing corporate trainings. Okay, that's all normal stuff with most companies. Working your regular schedule. Okay, all right, all right. So the education requirement, just high school, so that's awesome. Okay. So experience, you should have 1 to 2 years customer service experience and general work experience is preferred. Okay, or you could have a knowledge of loan servicing or origination systems preferred. Okay, now for the skills, obviously customer service, oral communication, written, teamwork, accuracy, working with MS Office, that's a huge plus right there. Always when you're working from home, you should, try to have the basic skills of typing and knowing how to maneuver in the MS Office application. The next thing they said is business math, problem solving, managing multiple priorities, and basic computer skills. So they're not asking for anything, you know, crazy or anything. This is all just, basic customer service stuff. All right. It says here that their benefits package include medical, dental, vision. All right. You get earned time off, you get a 401k. All right, life insurance. What else here? Employee assistance program, stock purchase program. You get tuition reimbursement. That's awesome. Okay, so it looks like if you want to go ahead and apply, I'll go ahead and leave the link to this in the description box here. So this is one of the positions that is currently hiring for the upcoming January class. So this is a hot job. Go jump on it, guys. Go and apply and, see where it takes you to. The next opportunity is with Allstate. Okay, we all know about Allstate, right? We see the commercials, you hear the ads and the commercials on the radio. Okay, so this is a call center job. It is customer service representative, unlicensed. I believe I read somewhere that it pays like $16 an hour. Oh, yep, it says it right here. Compensation $16 per hour, shift differential available for qualifying shifts. Okay, start date is February 10th. All right, so the first 4 weeks of training, 9 to 5:30 Central Time. All right, and then transition and production schedule. Okay. The schedule will be full-time 5 days a week and 8-hour shift between 9 a.m. and 12 a.m. Central. Okay, so with this position, it's basic customer service support the customers by delivering effortless and personalized experience, active listening, demonstrate accuracy, ensure first call resolution. That's always a big one when the customer doesn't have to call back in again. Work in a dynamic virtual environment. So qualifications, here we go again. Basic stuff, guys. High school diploma, 1 year customer service experience, be proficient in multitasking on the computer, excellent listening, flexibility with changes to business requirements that, establish experience in working from home environment experience is a plus. Well, there you go. So, technical requirements, they want you to have a pretty high speed internet, which is 50 megabits per second. Okay, home internet must be stable, Wi-Fi not allowed, no satellites or hotspots or any of that. Okay, and then have space for 2 monitors. Okay, it says here Allstate will provide the computer equipment, so that is awesome, right? So this is one of the ones. Go ahead, if you don't have your computer quite set up yet, this might be your first, one or two work from home jobs, and maybe you don't have your own stuff set up quite yet. This is one of the ones for you guys. It's decent pay, 16 bucks an hour. Okay, that's enough for you to get up and get on your feet and get stuff going. And then they'll provide the computer and the monitor and stuff for you. All you have to do is have that internet. Okay, so you have to have a dedicated works area at home, ensuring no one can access your screens. Okay, that is basically wanted to be, blocked off. Don't have anyone listen to your conversations and things like that. Okay. All right. And obviously free from distractions. Okay. Good work, good life, good hands. Okay. Well, how about that? So, this is awesome. This is all their benefits here: wellness, incentive, vision coverage, dental, medical, tuition reimbursement starting the first day. And you get the 401k as well. So, yeah, if you guys are interested, you guys better hop on this job. Hop on it. Get this job. This is perfect. It starts in February. That means within a few months there, you'll be going into spring and then bam, the summer. This looks like an awesome opportunity. You guys should go ahead and go and apply. Okay. All right. Well, until next time, I will talk to you tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow back with another video on who's hiring, guys. All right. Bye.